Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm talking to you about something in the kitchen. Before we jump onto that, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed and is getting us closer to the next level for our giveaways. Also, I want to thank all you that have joined the memberships. We got two levels. We have the prepper level, which is 99 cents a month, and the gray man level, which is $1.99. So they all have different level stuff. If there's a video, you can go check the channel members playlist, and the first video in there is the introduction, explains everything to it. All right, so now let's get on to today's prep for today. Today's prep for today is baking soda. Now we talked about cream of tartar a little while ago, and a little baking soda helps out. And you take baking soda, cream of turn it around here. Yeah, baking soda, cream of tartar, and you get baking powder. Now there are a whole bunch more uses for baking soda than just making baking powder. You can use it for brushing your teeth. You can use it for cleaning up acid spills. Say you got a battery you're changing out out of a piece of equipment, your car or lawnmower or whatever, and it falls and it spills battery acid out. Sprinkle baking soda on it, takes care of it. You can also very, very carefully use some baking soda solution to take care of any leaking acid on the top of a battery. You don't want to use too much because it can siphon it back into the battery and totally kill the battery, but you can clean up terminals and stuff if you're very judicious in its use and very careful. Baking soda can be used for cleaning other things as well. Am I going to go into everything here? No, that's your job to go look it up, do a search on it, find out all the amazing uses for baking soda. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a couple of links up here. And two of the links are for playlists. And you want to share these playlists with your friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, anyone who is thinking about prepping but doesn't know where to start. All right? So I'm going to put up on this side here first a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. Then I'm going to put the link to the playlist up here, Prepping for Beginners, and then Prepping in Private down here. You want to share these. Why? Well, because you don't want these people coming after your supplies and taking them from your family and you ending up like this.